Welcome to Session 9. Sign subtraction becomes dependable when every subtraction is rewritten as addition of the opposite. This single method works for positive and negative values. Today you will keep the first number, change the operation, take the opposite of the second number, apply an addition rule, and interpret subtraction in a temperature problem. The universal rewrite is A minus B equals A plus the opposite of B. Keep the first value exactly as written. Change subtraction to addition. Replace only the second value with its opposite. For 5 minus negative 8, keep 5, change minus to plus, and change negative 8 to positive 8. Now add 5 plus 8. The result is 13. Evaluate negative 4 minus 7. Step 1. Keep negative 4. Step 2. Change subtraction to addition and replace positive 7 with negative 7. The expression becomes negative 4 plus negative 7. Step 3. The addends now have the same negative sign, so add magnitudes. 4 plus 7 equals 11, and keep negative. The answer is negative 11. Evaluate negative 3 minus negative 10. Step 1. Keep negative 3. Step 2. Change subtraction to addition. Step 3. Replace negative 10 with its opposite, positive 10. The rewritten expression is negative 3 plus 10. Different signs mean subtract magnitudes. 10 minus 3 equals 7. The larger magnitude is positive, so the answer is positive 7. A common error is changing every sign. Only the operation and the second number change. Consider negative 6 minus negative 15. Keep negative 6 unchanged. Rewrite subtraction as addition and change negative 15 to positive 15. Then, negative 6 plus 15 equals positive 9. Changing the first number would create a different expression and an incorrect answer. The temperature is negative 6 degrees at noon. The overnight low was negative 15 degrees. How much warmer is noon? Subtract the earlier low from the noon temperature. Negative 6 minus negative 15. Rewrite as negative 6 plus positive 15. Different signs mean subtract magnitudes. 15 minus 6 equals 9. Noon is 9 degrees warmer than the overnight low. Let us recap. Keep the first value, change subtraction to addition, and take the opposite of the second value. Then apply the correct addition rule. For a quick check, 8 minus 13 becomes 8 plus negative 13. The magnitudes differ by 5, and 13 is negative, so the answer is negative 5. Keep practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson and instant feedback.